Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A3 Saloon S-Line with the 35 TDI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 360 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8 seconds with plenty of space for you and all the family. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design alloy wheels finished silver, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. The boot can be popped open with the push of a button, revealing plenty of space for your everyday essentials and even enough space for your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in twin black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, and on the comfort front we have the centre armrest with dual cup holders, as well as the rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front with the S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S badge embossed in at the top, and they are fully manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls, so those mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation, so you never feel disconnected from the outside world. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and with the dual zone climate control both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.